If you're looking to optimize your lead pages for mobile users, you're in the right place. Mobile optimization is crucial in today's world, where more people are browsing and converting on their phones than ever before. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to make sure your lead pages look great on mobile and convert even better. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also be showing you some alternative platforms that might do an even better job for your mobile-specific goals, and I have a special offer for you too. So, let's dive in with the first thing you need to do to optimize lead pages for mobile. The first thing you'll want to do is check your mobile preview. LeadPages makes this easy by letting you toggle between desktop and mobile views as you design. But here's the key. Simply seeing it in mobile mode isn't enough. Sometimes, elements that look perfect on desktop can completely mess up your mobile layout. Make sure to test it and make tweaks on the fly. You can adjust the size of text, move buttons, or even hide certain elements from mobile users that aren't necessary. A little time spent here can drastically improve your mobile experience. Next thing to keep in mind is the importance of your mobile call to action buttons. When you're optimizing for mobile users, the last thing you want is for them to struggle to find the action they need to take. You've got to make sure your CTA buttons are large, clear, and easy to click on mobile. But it's not just size, placement matters too. Place your CTAs where they're natural to click and don't hide them below the fold. Ideally, they should be within easy reach, especially considering the smaller screen sizes. Now, let's talk about mobile-friendly forms. Forms are a huge part of lead pages, but if they're not optimized for mobile, they can turn users off. For mobile users, make sure your form fields are easy to fill out, big enough to be tapped, and spaced out so users don't accidentally select the wrong field. You might also want to simplify the forms, removing unnecessary fields, so users aren't overwhelmed. Also, consider using drop-down menus or checkboxes for quicker responses. The fourth thing to remember is the speed of your page. Mobile users often don't have the best internet connections, so if your lead pages page is slow to load, you're going to lose visitors. Compress images, limit the use of heavy scripts, and test your page speed regularly. LeadPages has some built-in features to help with this, but you'll also want to optimize things manually to ensure a fast experience for mobile users. And the fifth thing? Don't forget about responsive design. LeadPages does have a lot of great responsive design features, but it's crucial to understand how your page behaves across different devices. Test your pages across a variety of screen sizes and adjust your layouts where needed. Make sure your design is fluid and adapts nicely to various mobile screens, from phones to tablets. Lastly, let's talk about testing. Once you've made your adjustments, the only way to know for sure if they're working is by testing your lead pages with real users. Consider running an A/B test to compare the performance of your optimized mobile version with the original. This will give you real insights into what's working and what needs further improvement. Now, while LeadPages does a good job with mobile optimization, it's worth noting that some of the other platforms out there might actually give you more mobile-friendly features out of the box. Tools like Unbounce or OptimizePress have been getting a lot of attention for their mobile optimization, especially when it comes to mobile-first design principles. And they offer pretty robust free trials too. If you want to take your mobile optimization to the next level, there are some great alternatives worth considering. I'll put the link to those down below, and you'll get an exclusive extended trial for our viewers. Not only will you get to try out these platforms, but you'll also get some exclusive benefits only available through our link. So, in conclusion, optimizing lead pages for mobile is absolutely essential, but make sure to do the testing and make small tweaks to perfect it. Also, check out the alternative platforms for better mobile optimization options that could help you hit your goals faster. Use the link in the description for the best free trials and exclusive perks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below to get started with your mobile optimized pages today.